everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys how I made this beautiful snake mug out of polymer clay. So first of all, I took a piece of black polymer clay and I roll it on my working surface. I extend my fingers and move them apart from each other so I can enlarge the piece. And I chose a matte black mug for this project because I just think that the effect on the black mug and with the black clay would be much more interesting. I roll the end of my rope and then shape it more like a triangle and combine everything together. You can use a baby wipe to just make everything seamless. And I made the head of the snake. And for the tail, I just made the end narrower by further rolling the clay. Then I positioned the snake on the mug. Now I'm using a cuticle cutter to just make the snake looky patterns on my snake. I'm just fast forwarding so I'm not make you bored. But take your time with this step because the cleaner your pattern would be, the more beautiful your whole work would be. Then I'm using gold mica powder and a brush to color my snake. You can use any powder color that you have, or even an eyeshadow if you don't need it anymore. Then I'm using a copper color to just contour my snake. I'm just putting the copper color on the sides. And I want the surface to be as gold as possible, but the copper color really helps to like bring the gold color out. Then I carefully removed my snake and cleaned up everything on my surface and on my mug. And then I roll another clay out and I use my fingers to make a tube shape. For this color, I just combined red and black Fimo clay. Then I'm cut it into pieces it is not necessary to be like identical pieces, because we are going to make flower petals with them, and they shouldn't necessarily be all identical. I am flatten each piece, and in palm of my hand I'm using a big dotting tool, or you can use a teaspoon or anything that has like a circular end that you can just swipe the edges so they are kind of uneven and thinner like flowers. Now fast forwarding again, but take your time in each step. I'm now using a flower petal mold to make all the lines and things that a flower petal have and make it more natural. It is optional, it is not actually necessary, but it makes it much more realistic looking and better looking. I will link mine in the description box below. Now I am taking the biggest ones and stick them together from the end, and then two other in the opposite directions, so 4 together, and then I push them so they stick together, and then I add 2 more in the middle. I again use my copper mica powder to color the edge of the petals. Just to make the whole thing more interesting and the color be more coherent. Then I place my flower under the snake and arrange the petals around the snake body. And no worries, when it's cured and when it's baked, then it won't move again. So try your best to make it as your liking, and you don't have to worry about it after the baking part. I make another flower. And use the copper powder again for the edges. I'm placing it under the body again and arranging the petals to my liking. I just take two very small black rhinestones that people usually use on the nails, I mean that size, and I make the eyes with them. It is not necessary. If you like, you can just put the eyes in, and you should bake the clay with the mug as instructed on your polymer clay package, and there you have it, a perfect gift for everyone and a beautiful mug that you can enjoy your hot or cold drinks in. I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for further videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.